Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Friday Night Gab. Welcome to my channel. I usually do sort of a recap, sort of the news kind of a thing on Friday Night Gab, and I am not live tonight. I was live last week, so thank you so much to the many of you that came by to celebrate my 2,000 subscribers. I'm really super excited about that, y'all. I'm very excited to grow, very excited. So I just want to tell you I'm not live tonight, but this is always on 7 o'clock Central Time, which is 8 o'clock Eastern Time. And if you don't know the time zone in your area, ask me and I'll tell you. And yeah, so I just like to gab with y'all. I just like to sit down and have a cup of coffee or some water or some tea or whatever you like to drink. And I did want to point out, well, I did change my background a little bit. It might be a little early, but I was thinking more, you know, harvesty stuff. And so that's what I sort of did. And then this right here, I got this from the Dollar Tree, $1.25. And it is, they had them in the yellow and they had them maybe in orange maybe. And there is a cutout of a sunflower on there. And then there was just, you know, this little plastic thing you pull out. And then it has a little, you know, a little candle light in there that you don't take out. So once that burns out, you probably throw it out because there is a little space, a little place you can open that's going to take a battery, but it's probably going to be like a watch battery, and those are a few dollars a piece. So, you know, but anyway, cute. I just thought it was cute, so I turned it on for y'all. And so there's my little decorations. And I hope that y'all are doing well. So have y'all had a good week? Last weekend was the holiday, Labor Day weekend, so I only worked 4 days this week, but I am wiped out. The beginning of the month is always super chock full of stuff for me. For the first 10 days or so, it's just stuffed with stuff. So I've been very busy. And then I just gets, you know, I'm having some, I'm not in any pain. I want y'all to know. My pain is gone from the pinched nerve. My spine, I think I've told you before, I have places in my neck that they're not crushed, thank goodness, but they are, you know, like our discs are supposed to be like this and they have cushion between them. And then some of mine are like resting on each other. So the cushion is smushed. So they're doing these decompression things on me, and I feel really good, except that I get very tired. I get worn out each day. So, but I am really enjoying going to the chiropractor. I feel that it's very much helping me. And I think it's going to be a lifelong thing, the rest of my life. I should have, when I was working there 20 years ago, I should have kept going after I stopped working there, and I didn't. And I have a lot of damage from, you know, age, and I was in a couple of wrecks when I was younger, in my early 20s, so where I'm just sitting at a light and people hit me, that kind of thing. So anyway, y'all, I wanted to tell you, I did show you some Temu stuff this week, and in the Temu haul, there was this pillow, and it was all smushed up because, you know, they sucked the air out of it to ship it, you know. So I just want to show you how it filled in very nicely. It's memory foam. I did show you the inside a little bit. Let me show you again because I want you to see it's very stiff memory foam. So I'm not really sure. So far I haven't been able to sleep on it. It's too hard for me. And I have very supportive pillows that have a curve like this. They're very supportive, but they still, you know, this is just very hard. So it's memory foam. So, you know, you think, oh, well, that looks so soft. Well, when you lay on it, it isn't. So I don't know if it just needs a little work, you know, that after a little while it's going to be softer, but it's nice to sit against, you know, against the couch or something. So, but they had many to pick from. And it was $8 and like 21 cents or something. And then I got a couple of, I got some money back on it because they offer you the 30-day price guarantee or whatever it's called. They give you money back. So, but see, it is the memory foam. So anyway, it's nice and I will use it. I just have to get it worked out a little bit. I hope that makes sense. Like, you know what I mean? Work it out some. Anyway, just wanted to tell you about that. And also, Alicia's reviews. Please go see her if you haven't already. She sent me some friend mail, and that video went up a day or two ago. I think it was yesterday. And she sent me a lovely box. She sent me an Allure box, and then there were things in it. And when I got to the bottom of the box, and I didn't pay enough attention to it, there were papers in there. And there was the brochure. She sent me her whole June box. It's the whole June box, version 2, which is the one that I had. So it's all the stuff that I already had. But it's funny, I'm funny about things. When I get things, sometimes, Camille, sometimes I don't try them if I have other things going on. We just love seeing your bottom. But when a friend gives it to me, I always try it, always. And I've been using the stuff in there and I love it. So I do have the spare from when I got it in June. If I have, you know, if there's some things I might have put in giveaways already. But it's just really nice stuff. You know, Allure is a great deal. It really is. It's $25, and that's with the shipping and everything, $25 a month. You can buy it for longer and get discounts. So just wanted to tell you about that. That's all that fabulous stuff that was in there. Thank you so much, Alicia. Alicia's reviews, she does a lot of different unboxings, and she's just a really nice lady, so go see her if you haven't already. Camille, can you not behave? It's not in her nature. She will never behave, I don't think. I don't know if she's going to grow out of this stuff, but a lot of y'all say to me she's really big, and she is. She's huge. Right now, she's huge. She's laying down, and she's playing, so I'm going to let her for a minute, and then I'll pick her up at the end or something, if she's still here. She's big. And I knew when I got her that when I saw her that she was going to be giant because of her ears. Her ears were huge, and I just knew it. I don't know what's going on in the next room, but the boys are up to something. There's just a lot of noise today. Sorry, y'all. Also this week, I got the most fabulous palettes. The most fabulous palette. I'm absolutely in love with this palette, and I've been wearing it a lot. And this is the Ghost Town USA by Nomad Cosmetics, and it's really cool. See how it goes, the ghost town to the bustling town. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous, and it's, of course, my new favorite palette. So there it is again, and I did swatch it. I showed it and I swatched it, and if I remember, I'll put that video below. Boys, I don't know why they have so much energy. Usually after they eat, they all sleep. Oh, there goes Camille. Camille, I wanted to show you. Camille. She's going to go see what they're up to. They disclude her a lot, y'all. They really do. And it's very sad for me. Anyway, what else was I going to tell y'all? On my Stitch Fix, I did end up sending everything back. And then after I have watched it again, I'm like, well, maybe I should have kept those blouses or traded in. I traded in a pair of slacks. And I went from the 18 to the 16, and they're too small on me. They fit, I can get my body in them, but they're snug. So I don't know, I have not inquired with them what to do about that. So I probably am not gonna do anything about it, just try to lose some weight. So I didn't wanna swap out that green. It looked, some of y'all thought it was black, but it was a really, really dark green. It was a little too big on me if I swap it out and it was too small. I really have to get with them and see what that entails. Camille, stop putting your bottom in the picture. All right, here she is so y'all can see her. She is 5 months old. Camille, well, goodness sakes. Can you not say hello? No. Can you not say hello? Yeah, you won't get down? Okay. Anyway, she's big. Here goes her bottom's gonna come right back in, y'all. I have picked the winner for my Whisk F. It was sort of like a hidden treasure kind of a thing because I didn't announce it. I don't think I did announce it. So I picked my winner for that. It was for the necklace. The beautiful chain, beautiful. They have all kinds of bags at Whisk F, all kinds. And they are starting now to carry accessories and jewelry and things like that. So go check them out. They're really, really nice. If I remember, I'll put that video in the description as well. And Christina Skiles won. So Christina, I will be sending that to you, and a few other little goodies probably. And was that all? That might be all, y'all. I also have I have a couple giveaways going on. So I always have a couple giveaways going on. My treasure trove is always going on. So look for that. And my 2,000 subscriber, $2,000 giveaway is going on. And I laugh at that because, you know, some of the things in that giveaway I have seen in the Ipsy sale. So if you go by, you know, those kinds of things, it's not going to be worth the $2,000. You have to give the full, go to the website of the company and see how much it sells for. And that is how I came up with my $2,000, okay? That's how I did it, okay? And that is it, I think. I think that's everything, y'all. I'm just looking at my little list here. I do want to thank y'all for being here. As always, I love y'all, and I just want to thank you. And yeah, just part of the 2,000 subscriber giveaway is to share me out to get more entries. And I've been writing everybody's name down. If you have shared me out, I've been writing you down. So please do that. You can share me on anywhere. You can share me anywhere. Just if you share me on Facebook, don't tag me. Otherwise, you can tag me. Like on Instagram, you can tag me on Instagram. And I don't know how you share someone on TikTok, let alone tag them. I know how to tag companies. I've never tried to tag a channel or whatever it's called. I don't even know. I don't know much about TikTok. I don't know much about them at all, so I'm sorry. But anyway, y'all, it's been a week. It's been a week, 4 days shoved in. I'm off this weekend. I'm very happy about that. So maybe I'll get some things accomplished around here that I didn't get accomplished last week. And I just will rest. I'm going to rest. I'm going to do my best to rest because I'm just tired. So what about y'all? And Camille's right here, so I'm going to try to lift her up again. She is having a bath. So y'all, thanks so much for stopping by and count your blessings. And if you want to stay for this, she's not going to like it. I just want you to see how beautiful she is, y'all. See, okay, oh, she does not like it. Look at her pretty face. Camille, can you say hey? And look at her coloring is so pretty, and her tail. Let's not hold the baby. Let's not hold the baby. Camille. All right. Oh my goodness gracious, Camille. Well, look at the camera so people can see your beautiful face. All right. Anyway, y'all, count your blessings. Have a wonderful weekend, y'all. Take care. Bye-bye.